how to convert Spotify to MP3. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you convert Spotify to MP3. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Spotify app with your account. After that, simply from here, tap on the option Your Library at the bottom. From your library section, you'll have to tap on Playlist at the top left. From here, choose your playlist, and from there simply tap on the download icon. As I want to inform you that you have the premium feature for the downloading. After you download that, simply tap on share icon. From here, if you want to just convert to the MP3, if you got the option from here, you can as usual go from the official premium feature. If you not find it, that means that feature is not available in your country or region, or in that case, if you not have any premium subscription. And that's it. This is the process to convert Spotify to MP3. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.